Hey everyone, first of all, I'd like to thank my patient all the way from Sarawak to come to have his trust to do hair restoration with us in our clinic, under me, under my team, under Dr Kula. So you can see this is the hairline that he has done. This is the hairline, and then he's lost a lot of hair, both his temporals, the hairline, the temple and angles. We are not doing anything in his temple point because it's fine there, and there is a lot density in the crown area and a little bit also in it. The way we're going to distribute the hair is very important because in the midscalp person has lost his hair. Donor is marking is already done, everything is okay. So patient is agreed with the hairline. Most important is to have a real discussion with the patient and whether it's agreed on the hairline, following his age and all that, and the number of grafts that we need to take and the number of grafts we need to leave behind for his progressive hair loss, how to manage about it. So thank you so much for supporting Clinic Dr Inder and our team and all of us, and believing us and giving us the opportunity to do your hair restoration. It's always important to see who are your clients who believe in you. If you do a research like a medical doctor coming here, you know they're a medical doctor and they believe another doctor, there's really a thumbs up that you're in the right hands, in the right clinic, with the right doctor. Thank you so much for the support and thank you for this small video.